I want to discuss with you a case. And this case stands out because there are many more like them which I see in the OPD on a regular basis. So, a couple called me from Canada. Husband is right now 44 years of age and wife is 41 years of age. They have been trying for last 9 years. And after the primary evaluation, at that time it was told that from the female partner's side, all her reports were normal. She at that time was 32 years of age. Husband had semen parameter abnormalities. He had grade 2 varicocele. So he kept on taking treatment for his semen sample improvement. So after taking some medications, it used to improve a little and they kept trying naturally. They did visit multiple doctors in the process. They took some Ayurvedic medications as well. All said and done, nothing actually worked. And in that hope that the semen parameters would improve, they actually did not start taking any form of treatment. So when she was around 40 years of age, they decided now it's high time and they should go about with the treatment. And when the female partner was evaluated, it was seen that her ovarian reserves, because of the age, had gone down very drastically. It was to the tune of 0.4 nanograms per ml, which is considered to be a very, very poor AMH. That means her egg reserves had gone down very bad. Now, for this couple, they were planning an IVF program after this. So in Canada, they underwent 2 cycles of IVF, wherein each time the embryos were checked chromosomally, and it was found that both the times the embryos came out to be chromosomally abnormal. And today they had called me with the hope that something can be done about this. And right now she is around 41 years. Her AMH is 0.1 nanograms per ml. So how, as a fertility physician, I can help them? I am also a little clueless, because oocyte aging and oocyte quality is actually not in a fertility physician's hand. We can just grow her follicles, we can extract the eggs, but the quality of the eggs and the chromosomal normalcy of the egg is completely a natural phenomenon which is associated with her age. So the lesson that has to be learnt here is, if a husband is suffering from male infertility, then appropriate medications should be given, but that trial period with that medication should not be so long that from the female partner's end, the ovarian reserves go down so much that in that case, that becomes a hurdle, like it happened in this couple's case. So, timely shifting to a better modality of treatment always helps.